it's Jade from Sweet Softies. I'm super excited to share with you my yarn review of the Whims Merino Yarn from Furls Crochet. And this is my first time working with this beautiful yarn, and I wasn't intending to do a yarn review at first, but after my experience with it, I just had to. So I crocheted this little kimono bunny doll. And actually, if you want to make this as well, it's going to be a crochet along cowl on the Furls website in July. So stay tuned for that. I think you will love this project. It's a lot of fun, and using their yarn has been such a great experience for me. I wasn't really expecting too much because I typically use acrylic for my amigurumi, but after using this yarn, I was like, oh my gosh, how have I never used it for amigurumi before? So I just have to tell you, this is really silky smooth and so dreamy to work with. While you're crocheting, you'll feel like your hook just slips into the next stitch, and the crochet experience is really, really enjoyable. So it just felt therapeutic to me. It's like one of those relaxing videos where you see things going smoothly and beautifully, and like, you know, those OCD videos. And it felt like that real life experience for me. So I enjoyed it a lot. And the not only the process of crocheting was really great, but the end result I think is really special if you're using this yarn, because it provides such nice stitch definition. I will give a closer look of this in a bit, but you will see that even with just double crochet stitches here on the bunny's skirt, it is very, very well defined, and it stands out. So I definitely I'm glad to have tried out this yarn, and I can't wait to use it for more amigurumis. This line of yarn comes in like so many beautiful colors as well. I love that it has kind of this chalky, not super pastel, but just a bit of a muted tone. It makes for a really great, both colorful and soft looking projects. So here's the white that I got, a purple, a lovely pink, my favorite, gray, and blue. And so I can't wait to make some more amigurumi out of this yarn that I have left. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see made out of these, please drop it in the comment box below. I'd love to get ideas from you. And let me give you a quick comparison between something made with this yarn, the Whims Merino, versus the 100% acrylic yarn that I typically use. So we'll take a look right here real quick before we wrap up. I have here two of my crochet projects. As introduced earlier, it's my kimono bunny, and here is my little kimono kitty doll. This it will be part of my creator challenge this year, so if you'd like to make one too with the rest of us, feel free to join along. You can see that in the description box below. Now, I made the kimono kitty doll with 100% acrylic yarn, and this bunny is made with the Whims Merino yarn. And as you can see, that stitch definition is really drastic. I love the effect of this textured look. It really stands out. And instead of the yarn looking kind of fuzzed up and not so clear, the Whims Merino here is so well defined, as you can see. And there really is a difference when it comes to crocheting with both types of yarns. So again, I thoroughly enjoyed my experience crocheting with the Whims Merino yarn. So please do check it out if you'd like to see what I mean. And that's that for my yarn review today. So hope you enjoyed watching, and feel free to check out this yarn in the description box below. Thank you again, and bye now.